What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another YouTube video. In this video, we're going to be talking about NIO. This is more of a midday update, and we're going to just discuss what it's doing and also the overall market, the state of that. Now, before we get into this video, I'd like to remind you, like, comment, subscribe. Thank you so much for being here, guys. Appreciate all of the support y'all give me, and let's get right into this video. Now, the overall state of the market, it's looking rough today. We fell off the cliff. We were treading up overnight. I was like, okay, we're good. And then bam, just fell off a cliff, guys. It's rough. It's looking rough out here at the moment. Now, what you don't want to happen on the overall market is it breaking this level right here. This was the reversal. Now, great. If it reverses right here, awesome. We can go to the moon from here. Now, you don't want it breaking that. SPY's looking a little better. Not the best, though. Still making these lower highs. So we're in a downtrend right now. And NIO, same scenario with NIO. I mean, it's down, what, another 41 cents today? So it's taking a beating as well. Now, I drew this line out last time, in my last NIO video, to talk about that, to show that we're in a downtrend. It's apparent. There's no other way to look around it. We're in a downtrend, guys. Now, for us to start basing out, we need to have some buyers here. Right now, there are no buyers whatsoever. And it's horrible. I know the feeling. Just to watch your money just slowly bleed off, it sucks. Trust me, guys. But you still have to stick to your plan. Still have to see why you got in it. What was the reason you got in NIO to begin with? Now, if we look at the RSI, I don't use this to trade whatsoever. But we're in this oversold territory. We're in the oversold territory, and we're due for a bounce. Now, just because the RSI is this low doesn't mean it won't keep falling. Of course, NIO could still keep falling down. As in fact, the bottom of that expected move is still here at $39. So NIO could still keep falling down if it wanted to, but the RSI indicates that we may see a bounce soon. Now, last time NIO was this bad oversold was around here in March of last year. That was the coronavirus crash. So it hasn't been, as you notice, it has not been in this bad of oversold territory since the COVID crash. So that tells you something, guys. That tells you that either one, that NIO's not a good place right now, or two, this is an overreaction and buyers need to come in here very soon. I'm gonna go for the second one. I'm gonna go for that this is an overreaction, that NIO, for some reason, people are selling it even though they missed earnings by this standard. They still had a good earnings report. We went over the earnings report yesterday. We went over some key details, and it looked good. It really did. I enjoyed what they were doing, how they basically doubled their cars output from 2019 to 2020, and they had $1 billion in sales in the fourth quarter alone. That's insane. They had $2 billion, a little over $2.5 billion for the whole year, and had $1 billion for the last quarter. That tells us that NIO is just increasing their output. They're delivering more cars. They're increasing their sales. So that's all good music to an investor. That's all good music to an investor. From a trading standpoint, technical standpoint, it's just taking a beating. Now, our action of plan. What do we need to see that happens for us to, to start getting confidence back in NIO, for us to start reversing here? Ideally, guys, you need to see it get above 48.31. So let's just say, for the sake of this video, that this is our base. We're basing out here, selling pressure is starting to slow down. Selling pressure is just, not there anymore. For the sake of this video, let's say we reverse right here. We reverse right here. We push up. We get into this box. We can do one or two things when we get into this box. We either consolidate for a little bit, maybe a couple of days, who knows, or we just go vertical and push right out of that. So that's your two options going into this box right here. But getting above 48.31 is a pivot point. It's crucial because once we get above that, then we're able to at least start to push up and start to have some life in us. We're not making any more lows at the moment from this downtrend right here. We're starting that reversal. So you have to be on the lookout for that pivot point of where this thing is starting to base out, and then we're going to be starting to reversal. That's what you need to look out for. Now, overall though, it's going to be a rough ride, guys. We still got a long ways to go. There's no sign of buyers just yet, but trust me, eventually they will come, and then they'll come in here with a lot of action, and then we'll push up. Hopefully, that's the plan. Now, ideally, for me to be really convinced that, we're back into gear, everything is good, we're good on NIO, I want to see us get above at least $53. That's that magic number, getting above $53. Then I'll be like, okay, we're back on this bullish train. Awesome. Then we're good to go on NIO. But right now, that is not the case for NIO. What we're working with is an apparent downtrend. Buyers have not showed up yet. So we'll have to take this one day at a time, guys. Of course, I always got you. I will always be posting my technical analysis update, my opinions on NIO. So do not worry. I got you in that sense. So if you are a new viewer, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on these videos. Either way, I'm going to end the video here. Hope you enjoyed my technical analysis. Let me know in the comments what you think of this whole action with NIO. Do you have diamond hands? Or are you holding on forever with the NIO? Just let me know your plan. How are you feeling about this? And I will see you guys in the next video.